Welcome to our tutorial on building real-time web applications using WebSockets and Socket.io. In this video, we'll explore how to create interactive and responsive web applications that update in real time, without the need for constant refreshing. Before we dive into the code, let's understand the difference between traditional web applications and real-time web applications. Traditional web applications require users to manually refresh the page to see any updates. Real-time web applications, on the other hand, utilize technologies like WebSockets to establish a constant connection between the client and the server, allowing data to be exchanged instantly. WebSockets provide a full duplex communication channel over a single TCP connection, enabling real-time data transfer between the client and the server. Unlike traditional HTTP requests, which are stateless and require a new connection for each request, WebSockets maintain a persistent connection, allowing for efficient bidirectional communication. Socket.io is a JavaScript library that enables real-time, bidirectional, and event-based communication between web clients and servers. Let's get started by installing Socket.io via npm and initializing a new Socket.io server in our Node.js application. JavaScript / example code for setting up a Socket.io server const express equals require express, const http equals require http, const socket.io equals require socket.io, const app equals express, const server equals http. Create server app, const io equals socket.io server, io. On connection, socket equals greater than console. Log a client has connected, socket. On disconnect, equals greater than console. Log a client has disconnected, semicolon const port equals process. Env. Port vertical bar 3000, server. Listen port, equals greater than console. Log server running on port $port semicolon. Now that we have our Socket.io server set up, let's implement real-time communication between the client and the server. We can send and receive data by emitting and listening for events. JavaScript / example code for emitting and listening to events in Socket.io / server side code io. On connection, socket equals greater than socket. On message, data equals greater than console. Log message received, data, io. Emit message, data, / broadcast the message to all connected clients semicolon / client side code const socket equals io, / send a message from the client to the server socket. Emit message, hello from the client. Semicolon / receive a message from the server socket. On message, data, equals greater than console. Log message received from server, data, semicolon. Let's put our newfound knowledge into practice by building a real-time chat application. Users will be able to send and receive messages instantly without refreshing the page. And there you have it. By leveraging WebSockets and Socket.io, you can create powerful real-time web applications that provide a seamless and interactive user experience. Feel free to experiment with different features and functionalities to take your real-time applications to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on web development and programming.